All right, it's about 13 degrees. I would recommend doing this in a warm spot, in part because the steel changes sizes with temperature, so this is not the ideal way to do it. Let's time and see how long this takes me. Well, there we go. So, first thing I like to do when I'm taking this apart, arm on the ground with my tools, pivot box on the ground with the tools. Hardware bag. We will go through this, but all these pieces are supposed to be used. There are no extra parts. Use everything. If you have real big questions with that, after the video, let us know. All right. In order to keep the rack from getting damaged while constructing it, I like to use this piece of cardboard. Lay it down. All right. Now comes the rack. Tilt it down. Okay, now, sticker, and this is what's going to hold it onto your car. Safety hitch pin, 3 bolts, 2 bushings. We also have washers. There are 6 of them. They are not the same size. There are 3 big, 3 small. You can tell you're using the wrong size if it won't fit over the bolt. This is the correct size. This is the wrong size to try and put on first. It won't go. So, small, small, big, big. Let's see, where's the bolt? Here it is. All right. These are, I think, made out of something fancy called zinc, but I just call them the gold screw and nut. The other thing to note is the nut. The nuts have 2 sides to them. I'm going to come up nice and close here. There's a white side that goes away from the base of the bolt. So the right way to screw these on is with the white side facing away. All right, just spent 3 minutes on the basics. Let's see how this works. These bushings will not go in the top 3 holes. Don't fit. Lowest hole will have the highest rack. Highest hole will have the lowest rack position. For this customer, I'm going to put it in the rack in the highest rack position. Here's the super secret spot. All right, slide this up over the bushings. All right, here we go. All right, that's just about in the right spot. I use the safety pin here to help get it in the exact right spot. Big washer first, goes all the way through. Small washer second. Didn't think I'd have to use it, but given the really cold temperatures. All right, that's through. Now, it's best, I think, to do these loosely first in case you want to change things around. Again, the white side goes away. Just going to hand tighten this for now. All right. With 6 holes is for the horizontal. This part's going to go in your car. This one is going to be offset to the driver's side. So put it through like this. And offset it to the driver's side. There's no right or wrong. You can put either bolt head this way or this way. So that goes through like that. Again, the big washer first. So this is the maximum offset I'm using. Then I'm going to use the small washer second. All right. They're all hand tightened right now. And then this goes in this hole, and you screw that all the way down first until it's tight against the arm, and then you tighten it the rest of the way with the wrench. And then put it in the car, pin goes through, you're all done. That was 7.5 minutes from cutting open the box and explaining